Hello, DevALMO here. I wonder for the more excited with the channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let's learn how we can use swipe effect in JavaScript. And this time we have a green screen. Yay! So let's see our application. Well, we are gonna use this to swipe left and right to click those buttons that call alert saying which one was pressed. We can active the mobile, we can swipe right, we can swipe left, and the corresponding button will be clicked. Let's see how this works. In here we have our code. It's just index.html with a JavaScript and a CSS file. We do not need to see this anymore. Let's increase the font size so you can see better. And here we have our HTML. There is a title, our blue bar, the buttons inside the div, and each button has a on click with our alert that says which button was clicked. We also will have a JavaScript type file. That's where the magic happens. And we also have a CSS that explains what's going on in the CSS. It's nothing too complex and you can check it out on your own if you want to. Let's understand the JavaScript code. We are beginning by creating two variables. They are for when we are starting the swipe and ending the swipe. Let's jump this function for a second and see everything else, then we get back to it. We are creating a variable bb that is getting by the ID blue bar. So in here we are observing if the event happens. Which event? Well, we are naming it touch start and touch end. What's going to happen is this function right here or this function right here. Let's understand the function. We are saying we have an element, and for each of these elements you have a touch start x. That is the variable that we created up here. And we are saying that it's receiving the value of the beginning of the swipe according with the x-axis. The x-axis is basically this line right here. With this we can swipe right or left. The same thing we are doing for touch and x. But this one is so we can identify when we stop swiping. When we stop swiping, we are gonna check the direction function. The direction function compares which position the swipe started and it ended. So this first case will be for when we are swiping left, and you can change this effect or anything. Right now we are saying that it's clicking the class name in position 0, which corresponds to button alert. And we are applying pretty much the same logic to the right swipe. So with that, we analyze how it is working. If the video content was useful to you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also add me in social media. The links are available in the description. The code we just did will be in the comments. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.